dumb. I got poisoned when I was climbing down the ladder, and I got stuck here when I tried to jump down. Yo, Connie, you see this shit? Oh, I guess that's not Connie. Ape escape. Can't drop. Can't die. I'm consistently poisoned. Oh, I guess the poison's wore off. I'd be mad if I was them. Probably think I'm cheating or something. See, I'm like spamming E right now, but I can't actually climb down. I should probably stream this. So as I was climbing down the ladder to escape from Sissy, he poisoned me, and I hit the drop button to like drop faster, and I ended up right here, stuck, and for whatever reason I can't die. Oh! Oh no, I thought that was me climbing up. Never mind. I wonder if I can die, because I'm supposed to bleed out, but I don't think I can die. I think I just went because of this. It's so dumb. That's interesting. But I don't think I'm technically in the climb animation anymore, because I hit the drop button. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely weird for sure. I wonder if this can be replicated. Lead disconnected. Damn. Feels bad. Looks like he's setting up a trap. That's interesting. Like for being idle. Interesting. Okay. Well, that's that. I guess I'll upload it to YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys.